Do you lift her?
Shut up.
I'm kidding.
Who are you? What's up, buddy?
He's like,
Ace, can you go in the guest closet and get the tripod?
Yeah. Why can't we sis?
You won't.
What is that, buddy?
It's like, and mommy's letting me have this whole thing? Do they know what they're getting themselves into? One time he wants to be clean. Or 2 hands.
Go put a little bit in his mouth.
Tyler, taste it.
Oh.
Yummy.
He did that stuff.
Oh, I should went to the bathroom before. Okay, buddy.
No, let him go. Let him go.
Look at it, it's getting all over his nose.
There he goes. Out. Out.
Yay! Take another bite, Tyler. This is precisely why I still feed the child.
It's fine.
No!
Or do like the cake eating contest where he just puts his face in it.
That's what I did. I put my face right in it.
Did you really?
Yep, I just went. Okay, I'm gonna get the tripod and I'm gonna go run the bathroom. Tyler!
Poor mommy, she can't even let you have fun. See, it tastes good.
Mmm.
You should turn around so you can get the other side.
Whoops. Uh-oh. Right. Yum.
Cam, grab the ice cream out of the freezer. Yes, dear. Well, I'm missing all this. I don't know how this works, honey.
We need to rename your last name. We'll just make you a store doll, too.
Oh, okay.
You're an honorary store doll.
What are you doing, buddy? He's watching Mom now.
At least I'll just trade you for a little bit here.
Okay. Here, I'll hold it. Here. I got it. I'm gonna cut the cake so we can all eat cake. I got him. What you got, buddy?
Does that taste good?
Mmm.
Cake! Say, Dad, you have to let me do this every day, Mommy. Ah!
Tyler. Pause it.
Pause it?
Yeah.
You hit the right button to pause it?
Tyler!
Tyler! Can you dance? You dance?
He's dancing.
Yeah, Mike, pick that up.
It's like a
This is where it should have been all along.
Oh, man. I can't wait till Morgan gets to do this at your house.
Oh no, can you see David? I'm not giving you the cake, it's too sticky. Oh, give me sticky.
Oh.
That'll be the argument at our house. Whether to give it to her or not.
Man.
You're going to be finding cake particles for the next year.
No.
See, this is yummy.
Oh. Because you really eat a couple Oh boy.
Tyler. You dance?
It's like, no, I've got all you guys dancing. Why do I need to dance?
I'll just dump my milk inside the cake.
Tyler.
A little bit of milk with that.
Some buggers to it.
Tyler.
Now you know I ordered the second cake. Whoops. You gonna dance for us, Tyler?
No. I'm gonna bite with
I already did it. Dad didn't have the machine on.
eating your cake.
Oh!
Are those plastic or real?
Yeah,
plastic.
plastic.
Oh, it's like,
No, it's a real
God.
bear.
I wanted to put like a real like bear on that. I didn't.
We just dropped them.
How's
Did
it
you have
taste?
the tweeting cake? It feels so big.
Yeah.
Here.
Tyler.
It's funny that you almost forget to take like regular pictures.
Yeah.
That's what we did in Hawaii.
Forgot to take the regular ones and took the videos.
Yeah.
Well, we should have got a picture of the cake
Take your mouth away
before
from me. Your hand away from your mouth.
Yeah, I'm eating it. I'm eating it, Daddy. Oh, that's cute.
Tyler.
Can you dance, Tyler?
Double handing that stuff. Yummy. Oh,
I don't want to eat so much she gets a bellyache though.
You better probably stop now.
you didn't eat too much.
Yeah, but that stuff's rich for him.
Get one more picture, Dad.
Tyler.
Tyler.
Okay, I'll get out of the picture so you can get up closer.
Tyler.
Uh-oh, don't run your eyes,
Tyler.
babe.
Tyler.
Tyler, open up.
Tyler.
Hey, buddy.
Oh.
Can you
I want
dance?
you to have some, Kim.
Tyler, can you dance, Tyler?
Oh, yeah, don't take it away. I'm going to grab it, man.
Look at the cats over here having a feast.
Oh, sure.
Tyler.
Want to take a picture of the cake after he's had it? We should have had a before shot.
Oh, no flash.
I can't get my tippy cup. My hands are too greasy. Yeah, you guys keep
Scotty like his CD?
He likes the CD.
Oh, the.
Blues Brothers. Scotty! Scotty.
Is this from Jody's dad?
Taylor! Not Taylor. Yeah, I go at school, I call Taylor Tyler. Whatever your name is.
Well, I just called him Morgan when you guys were out there.
Oh! Tyler. That cup's got a whole new look to it now.
Yeah.
Oh, Mom. I'm having fun,
I
you
don't. You need to stay there by him. You don't want the milk in it.
Tyler.
Got it on his ears.
Oh, I'm sure
Got it
it's
on the back of his ears. Got the back of his hair.
It's actually not as messy.
The window back
That's
there.
when I wanted to take it away when he was getting it all over, all that kind of stuff.
Oh, there it is.
Oh.
Tyler.
And this stuff is greasy.
The will find it at other places tomorrow morning.
I'm sure when you find stuff in it when we do our spring cleaning.
Scott, do you want to come stand over here by him a little bit?
I'll do it.
Okay. I'm gonna go run the bathwater so I can talk to him.
Ooh, I like this little wheel.
Dance. Dance.
Oh, there.
Dance. Go, buddy.